guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video.
You come to my motel, slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, you guys, so coming to you guys today with a hair review with the hair that is currently on top of my head. Lucky for you guys, I ordered it twice, so this is going to be an unboxing and review video. So let's open this bad boy. And I'm wearing my hair to the front for you guys because I always wear my hair to the side. So let's switch it up. Let me cut it open. Okay, so the hair comes in this package. It's super cute. It says Liaza Hair. Liaza Hair. This brush is cute. Okay, let me tell y'all something. My hair, I don't know why I'm acting shocked like I didn't get a brush. I did get a brush, just not a pink one. Let me go find it. Okay, this is the brush that I got when I ordered this hair on top of my head. But y'all know, if y'all know me, pink is my favorite color. But black is my second favorite color, so. But, okay, this is cute. I didn't get a fancy bag like this. I mean, I did, but it was black. This is cute. So inside, it comes with a wig cap and cute brush, and this is the hair. This is the hair. Ooh, it comes like this. This is I think this is a 24-inch. I do not remember what inches I bought, but yeah, I ordered the hair twice, you guys, so you guys get an unboxing and a review. So this is it on my head, but yeah, this is how it looks. Super pretty, super soft. You see my fingers running through it. Super nice hair. It comes with combs inside. Guys, see that? Comes with combs, 3. It has the it has lace at the back if you want to like do like a ponytail and stuff, and then it's adjustable straps. This is the color of the lace. It is pre-plucked, you guys, so that is a bonus. The hair is really nice. Wait, this is the texture of the hair. Let's compare it. I'm blind, you guys, but this is the texture of the hair. Yeah, I mean, this one is more defined, I guess, because I didn't brush it out or whatever. Okay, well, that is nice unboxing. This is really nice. I'm acting like I didn't already go through this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the hair back in the stuff because, baby, I did not mean to order this twice. Okay, I do not need it twice. I'm gonna return this one. So yeah, I have to return this one. Y'all think I could finesse Amazon and keep this brush? Cause I want it. Okay, you guys, so I've been wearing this hair for a week now. It's very nice. It's very soft. I literally just washed it too because I wanted to show you guys like the hair at its like best state and show you guys how it actually like performs. So the hair is really soft and really nice. You know, this is a 22-inch, I believe. I'm gonna put the link in my description. So it comes here. The hair does not tangle for me like a lot. It's curly hair. First of all, you have to know how to maintain curly hair. I'm not the best at maintaining curly hair, but I've done a pretty good job at maintaining it. Yeah, it doesn't tangle a lot. I can run my hand through it, and when it dries, it doesn't tingle a lot. The most tingling it would get is at the bottoms, at the ends. You guys see that? Yeah, the most tangling that the hair would get is at the ends. And you guys know I like to wear my hair like this, so majority of the time my hair is like this throughout the day, so it will get like tangled up around this area and like the insides. But I use my handy dandy water bottle and I spray it and it comes right back to life. Let's talk about shedding. This hair sheds more than I would like it to. I don't know what's that about, but yeah, it sheds more than I would like it to, but it's nothing like crazy, or maybe it is, I don't know, but I don't know, it sheds more than I would like it to, period. I paid $183 for this and it came in 2 days. Well, this one came in 2 days. This one I paid next day shipping for. And it's really nice hair. I feel like if you're gonna get it, make sure you know how to maintain curly hair. Not everyone knows how to maintain curly hair. And yeah, it's really nice hair. It's soft. Just know how to maintain it. One thing about this hair is that it dries super fast. I usually spray it with water and then put leave-in conditioner in, but it dries super fast and then it gets like super puffy. If you guys watch my last video, I was wearing this hair in it and it was like not this defined because yeah, but I just washed it. It's like it's drying now, so it's gonna get super puffy soon. But you guys see the curl pattern. It's not as deep. Like once you brush this hair out and you wear it for a while, it's not that deep of a curl pattern, so that might be good for you or it might be bad. For me, it's just like I'm not really a big fan of deep wave hair. I get it like once in a while, but I do recommend this hair. It's affordable. I mean, I paid $183 for 22 inches and it's like good hair for that price, you know. So I do recommend the hair. I just think it's a lot of shedding. That was the only thing that was just like, I don't know if I could deal with, but it is a wig, you could just take it off, you know. But if you want to keep it on too, that's something to like look out for. It's a lot of shedding. And I plan on straightening the hair soon and dyeing it soon, so let me know if you guys like would want to see that, like how it took the dye, because I know a lot of brands that say they're like human hair don't really take dye well. So if that's a video that you guys are interested in seeing, then I will definitely do that. But overall, I do recommend the hair. Make sure you know how to take care of it. I will try straight hair soon from Amazon and see how that goes. Maybe it'll go better, I don't know. But overall, I would rate my experience with this hair 8 out of 10. Yeah, so I will put the description below. I will add some videos at the end of this video of how the hair look when it's wet, when I either just sprayed it with the bottle or after I washed it, just so you guys can see how it looks when it's in that state. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video.
Baby, won't you come to my